Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level and reach your customers directly in their inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up email marketing in Shopify so you can connect with your audience, drive sales, and build lasting relationships, all with tools right inside your Shopify admin. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to tighten up your current approach, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have actionable strategies and a campaign ready to go. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is home base for just about everything in your store, from products to customers to, yes, marketing. Logging in gives you access to all your store's features, so make sure you're in the right account, especially if you're managing multiple stores. Once you're in, look for the Marketing tab on the sidebar. That's your gateway to creating automations. Hover over Marketing, then click Automations, followed by Create Automation. This is where Shopify makes things super easy. You don't have to be a tech expert here. Shopify provides pre-built workflows. These templates cover essentials like welcoming new subscribers or recovering abandoned carts. But if you're someone who likes to get creative, you can always start from scratch. Think of it like choosing between following a classic recipe or inventing your own dish. Both are valid approaches. It just depends on your goals and your audience. Let's talk about customizing your workflow. Timing is everything in email marketing. You'll want to decide when your emails land in your customer's inbox, send a thank you email immediately after purchase, or wait a day and remind someone about that item they left in their cart. And don't rush the actual email content. Craft messaging that's warm and clear. If you're stuck, imagine you're writing to a customer who just walked into your physical shop. What would you say to them? Next, it's critical to use segmentation. With Shopify, you can target specific groups like returning customers or first-time buyers. This ensures your message is tailored and relevant. Think about it. An exclusive offer for loyal customers feels personal, while an introductory email for first-time buyers feels welcoming. Imagine you're throwing different themed parties for different friends. You'll invite people based on what you know they care about. One important, often overlooked piece is mobile friendliness. A huge percentage of emails are opened on phones or tablets, so always preview how your message looks on smaller screens. Make sure your call to action buttons are easy to tap and your images resize nicely. If you've ever gotten a squished, unreadable email, you'll know how quickly you hit delete. It's worth the effort. To improve your open rates, experiment with A/B testing for subject lines. This means sending out two variations, maybe one's friendly and one's urgent, and seeing which gets more attention. Don't worry if your first tests don't blow the doors off. Even small changes can reveal big preferences. Brand consistency is key. Use your store colors, fonts, and tone of voice in every email. Customers should recognize you instantly, like seeing a friend's signature style. Consistency builds trust, and trust leads to action. And of course, stay compliant with email laws like GDPR and CAN spam. Always include an unsubscribe link at the bottom of your emails. It shows respect for your audience and keeps your store within legal boundaries. Think of it as leaving the door open if someone wants to step out. If you find yourself needing more advanced features, like detailed reporting, SMS marketing, or sophisticated automation flows, Shopify Email offers a solid base. But you may want to connect with tools like Klaviyo, Omnisend, Privy, or even MailChimp via a third-party app. These services give you extra horsepower for larger scale or more customized campaigns. And that's it. You're ready to launch your first email campaign on Shopify. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more easy-to-follow Shopify tutorials. Happy emailing!